Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. This is my last video for July's hashtag No Paper Left Behind challenge and my first video for the hashtag No Paper Left Behind challenge for August. So today we're going to talk about how I did last month and what I'm going to use this month. Remember, if you don't know what hashtag No Paper Left Behind is, it's a challenge I made up for myself because I had all of these pads that I call skeleton pads. They're the ones with the two pieces of paper and nothing else in it. The two pieces you don't want to use. So the challenge to me was you have to use it all. You have to figure out how to use stuff even if you don't like it. And so many amazing, awesome, times 10,000. Sorry, I almost forgot. We all have to take out the gold awesome for all of you because you're awesome. So, right. So many amazing people joining. Their links are in the description box. If your name isn't there, tell me. I will put it there. If you are not playing, please tell me so I can remove it. And if you, I don't know, for example, I know Miss Izzy is going to be playing this month. Mrs. Izzy. So I'm going to put her link in there. And if you want more information on the challenge, I have a playlist in my playlist that is called What is hashtag No Paper Left Behind. This month I used this awesome, oh, this is a pleasure to play with, let me tell you. This Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Botanicals paper and ephemera or stickers of bits and pieces and enamel dots. So I was supposed to use the whole thing, and as you could see, I used every bit. There is nothing in any of it. These are my scraps, which are funny. I just couldn't figure out what to do there. And I have two red strips, and on this other piece I punched out two flowers. So these guys, I mean, I had to quit. I made this whole book. It's beautiful, and I also had enough to decorate the envelope and make this pretty card. I saved enough. These two were scraps. When I saw this word, I did put it aside. But then whatever paper I was going to have, I was just going to use. And I added a doily, and these are the punched flowers. And this little strip I put there, and I punched it with a corner punch. It's a little cute. And then I put a piece in here. So this will be the card that I will fill out and send to the winner, along with the rest of the die cut pieces. I used a lot. You'll see I couldn't use them all. I also have what's left of all of these sticker sheets. Again, I used a lot of stickers, and if you know me, you know I'm not a fan, but these were so pretty I had no problem using them. There are also these last few enamel dots. I mean, if you want to do something and put it in here, or tags or whatever, I thought it would be good instead of me having not paper to match these stickers. I thought it would be better to send the stickers to the winner. So there's that. I mean, look at all of these. And these. And these. These. And those. See how many I used, right? So I'll be sending all of these goodies along with this book to the winner. Okay, sorry, don't want to get messed up. So here's the book, and if you could, this is a die. If I make it closer and open the book, you won't be able to see it. All right, fine. I'll try. I make no guarantees. I won't be out of frame. So, I don't remember how big the book is. The book is 5, I think, by 5.5, 5.25. Okay. Right, and these guys in here are 1/2 inch smaller. The paper had this exact pattern on it, so I popped this up on foam pads and put little sprinkles of diamonds and little enamel bits, little blings everywhere. And I found this little cameo when I'm moving things around in this office trying to find my brain. So I put it in the middle of this blue flower that just matched the butterfly and the bird and all of that. And this is a sticker. This piece right here is like a ripped ticket from the bits and pieces. This is a sticker with the safety pin. I'm so proud of myself for using all these stickers. And then I put something on the spine. I didn't like how it looked with just the, as you can see there, you know, so, but I only glued it on the front and back. So it's meant to crease, so. And the back I put these beautiful butterflies. And I put the seam binding closure in between the front, the papers and the front and back cover. When I send this to the winner, it will be sent unwrapped to not get smushed, you know. All right, so let's open it up. Check it out. So remember, video part 1 and 2 on how to make this is the first, it's called, I think, Easy Pocket and Tag Mini Album for Beginners, and hashtag No Paper Left Behind. And then the next one says it also. It's so easy. So I decided to make the front have a flap. These are all ephemera bits or stickers. And I put a bow and more bling because I love it. And that's magnetically closed. And then you have this beautiful, I love this seed packet paper. Obviously I did a lot of punching. And then here is a pocket with a sticker and some bling. And I'm like obsessed that it's like kind of weird because of the magnet. And I wanted it to be perfect, and so it's annoying to me. And I put a little card and stuff, and you can write and journal and whatever. So that's that. And then over here we have the first page. Now I'm only going to take the stuff out of this pocket. I'm not going to do all the rest of the pockets. I put the tags in, like, as you can see, there are 10 tags. So 5 are offset to the left, 5 to the right. This pocket has this in it. I don't like to like put my name on books that I either sell or give people. If you put your memories in here, like, why do you want my name? So I don't. But I always put a tag with my From the Studio of Daniella Hayes and a Hello Kitty. Back this way, but this sticker came with it and it says make today awesome. Yes, it does. And yes, make every day awesome. So I thought that was perfect. So I did put my little tag like I do. I will put it back in a second, but all of the pockets have these 3 things. I put different stickers or other things and bling and everything on every pocket. I will show you that, but I put, you know, a little card like this one that, you know, opens. You can write in it. Everyday life with a bunch of birds, sending love. The good thing about this is you can do whatever you want, but you can use this to put on top of a card if you want, because they were the cut aparts and I think that's what they're for. This is just beautiful paper, and on the back of every tag I put like a some bling of some sort, a couple of stickers and a sticker up here, and seam binding at the top. So now we can just flip through the rest because they're all the same. Trying to remember which way this guy goes. Okay. I can't have anybody out of order now, can I? Isn't it awesome? I love how books look like this. It's my favorite. All right, let me put this in here. Okay. All right, so yeah, over here, same three things, same stuff. Here I have a tuck spot. I made some, and I will point them out. This piece is it's just a leftover from making the book, and I just put it there so that, you know, you would know it was a tuck spot. And this tuck spot, I put this little ephemera and all the same three things. And here I just decorated, and here is another little tuck. So go like that. And here, stuff, stuff, stamp, stamp, bling, bling, sticker. Here, tuck spot. And the thing is, I glued this down. It was supposed to be another tuck spot. That's why there's nothing in it. So then you'll know it's not. This guy has a tuck. He doesn't have, I ran out of paper to make one of those little folded ones, so I put this piece of ephemera in here instead. It's the, you know, fake postcard. So, and yes, that is a tuck. And then over here on the back, I just put these two little scraps in because they look like seed packets. And there you go. So that's the book. That's what it looks like. And I have my winner. The winner is Victoria Kellogg. You are the winner of this book and the leftover stuff for hashtag No Paper Left Behind. Yay, congratulations. My email is in the description box. Please email me your address and I will send this out to you as soon as I can. So this week sometime soon. So congratulations again. I hope you love it. If I don't hear from you in a week, then I will pick another winner for this book. So now what is left is just to show you what I am using this month, and I am using this. So I noticed that I am dangerously low on cards. I've been having a lot of giveaways and all of that, and I've had some lovely, lovely ladies send me cards, and I have not reciprocated, and I feel really bad about that. In fact, one of them is, well, Louise sent me another card, and I don't know what I did with it. I'm sorry. I had some more awesome tags. Dude, please don't give me a hard time. Paper pack. So, you know, I was on Tonic's website today. This paper pack cost $6.99. Yikes. Seems like a lot, right? Yeah, I know. We're just all used to Tuesday morning prices. Don't talk about Tuesday morning right now. I hope to get back eventually. So I just got this in the mystery bag, and I was like, why put it away? Why not just use it? It's double-sided, and it looks like it's pink and blue, everything. Got diamonds and stripes, multiples, 3 of 4, 5, 6, and then pink polka dots and checks. Nice. And then blue dots and stripes. That looks beautiful. And I don't know what those are. And diamonds. So I have, this is nice paper too. It's thicker than, you know, paper. But I have all of these ephemera or die cuts from Tuesday morning that I got more than 6 months ago. And some in here are pink, some are blue. So I will use tags and other things that I have, maybe even die cut, fun things like that. But that is my plan. So thank you all so much for watching. I really, really, really appreciate each and every one of you because you are all so awesome. Gold awesome to all of you. You're all gold awesome level. Like, that's here. That's it. Like, some people are regular awesome. You, gold, solid gold awesome. So thank you so much. Congratulations, Victoria. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye.